This video is for all of you archery enthusiasts and bow hunters. I'll share with you a practice routine that will significantly increase your accuracy, all by shooting one single arrow per session. In most bow hunting scenarios, as well as archery tournaments, you get one shot at success and one shot only. All the hours of preparation for the hunt, all the time spent traveling, all the money spent on gear and supplies, and all the days and months spent dreaming of the adventure to come, all culminate in that moment of truth when the arrow is released. That one arrow can be the difference between filling the freezer with fresh organic meat for the year to come or going home empty-handed. One arrow is the difference between great memories of a successful hunt or the haunting dread of a failed attempt. And where that one arrow goes ultimately depends on how well you've practiced and developed your skills. As with all things in life, the motto, "Prior preparation prevents poor performance," certainly applies to archery and bow hunting, especially in regard to your shooting skills. There's simply no substitute for putting in the time and the effort to make every single arrow count. However, you don't necessarily need to spend hours upon hours at the range to advance your level of accuracy and proficiency. Quality is vastly more important than quantity when it comes to time spent practicing the art of archery. Many years ago, I heard a renowned bow hunter mention that many of the best archers utilize the practice routine of shooting one single arrow a day in preparation for an upcoming hunt or tournament. I found this to be very inspiring, but more so, exceptionally practical. After all, in most cases, that's all you get when you're out in the field or at a competition. Again, that one single arrow can be the difference between a successful hunt or winning a tournament, or total and complete failure. The idea of putting 100% of your concentration and effort, mentally and physically, into making one single perfect shot a day seemed highly logical and practical. I quickly adopted the one shot a day method as my own practice routine, and I've been doing so for many years now with great results. Now, very importantly, the one shot a day method is not something to dive right into, especially for new archers or those who haven't shot for a while. Repetition is necessary and good, as it's essential to developing proper shooting form, technique, muscle strength, and muscle memory, as well as developing the mental processes involved with executing a well-placed shot. However, too much repetition to the point of mental and physical exhaustion can result in the formation of bad habits. If you continue to shoot when your body and mind have grown tired, you often end up practicing poor shooting form, which gets ingrained in both your mind and body and can actually end up overriding the good habits that you're trying to develop and practice. Also, when you start shooting poorly due to fatigue, frustration can set in, which is another factor that can lead to the development of even more bad habits. When developing your archery fundamentals or getting back in the routine of regular practice after a long layoff, I first recommend several weeks of high repetition. Practice shooting for 45 minutes to an hour per session while making sure to take a break or simply quit when you get excessively tired. And during those first few weeks, primarily focus on proper form and technique in order to develop your muscle strength and memory, as well as your powers of concentration. After several weeks or months of this high repetition practice, start scaling back both the time spent and the number of arrows that you shoot during your practice routine. Keep doing less and less, but with more and more concentration. Repeat this process of focusing more on quality instead of quantity until you get down to one single, perfectly shot arrow per session. And before you take that one single perfect shot each day or each practice session, take some time to mentally prepare for that shot. Imagine yourself in a tournament or on a hunt when that's the only arrow and the only opportunity you'll get. Allow yourself to feel the pressure of the moment, but harness and transfer all that energy into a razor-sharp concentration and an overwhelming sense of confidence and positivity. Simply know without any doubt whatsoever that that arrow is going to go exactly where you want it to go. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.